Going over NVIDIA here today, up 4%. Today is May 14, 2025 in the after hours. Nice to see that NVIDIA here is above our 200-day moving average. I said once we break above the 200-day moving average, watch out for a price to range between 117 and 132. Now, we definitely exceeded our expectation here, broke above the 200-day moving average, and broke above our 132 resistance level that we were watching for. The next level of resistance I would keep an eye out for is going to be closer towards right around 142, as 142 is going to be a level I'm keeping an eye out for. If you want to compare our current price here all the way up to 142, that is going to be an additional 5% move to the top side. It's definitely something to keep an eye out for going into the remaining of May of 2025. Going into this summer of 2025, and again, it could be a lot sooner than expected, I do think the all-time high at 153 is going to be retested. We should be able to see a new all-time high here for NVIDIA, and I would actually keep an eye out for 180 to be potentially tested during this year of 2025. To 153 is going to be a 13% move, and then all the way to 180 is going to be an additional 33% move. Now, personally, if I don't have a position in NVIDIA and I'm looking to enter, of course, it was way better to be adding into NVIDIA while it was below the 200-day moving average. I try to mention in our previous 20 videos, our previous 20 videos in a row for NVIDIA, I pretty much post NVIDIA here on a daily basis. I mentioned that 117 to 96 was a really good dip opportunity. I've been saying that for weeks, and I said if we drop down below 96, that's where I would look to add a bigger position. I did just that at $88. I added a bigger position here for NVIDIA. Again, not knowing where the bottom is, all I had was a preferable price range of entry, and I mentioned this in our Discord numerous times as well. Now that we are above the 200-day moving average, we broke above 130 and also nearly testing 140s again. I would definitely keep an eye out for the all-time high to be retested into 180 going into this summer. Okay, so 153 here, a lot of people think that this might test towards the end of this year, especially when we were down here at 86, 90, or 95. People thought we wouldn't test 153 anytime soon. As you can see here, during the past few days, we've had a pretty nice move up and gap up to the top side. During this year of 2025, like I said, keep an eye out for 180 to be tested. I do think a new all-time high is going to be tested here really soon. And again, 180 there is going to be a 33% move back up to the top side. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. Are you buying NVIDIA at this current price? Are you waiting it out? Do you think there would be a bigger pullback? Or do you think this is a really good dip opportunity and that the all-time high is going to be tested a lot sooner than most people think? If you don't have a community yet, highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description, free to join, over 32,000 people, and a dedicated chat section for NVIDIA. If you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, and again, that does include NVIDIA, you can join our Patreon as we do have a 90% off permanent discount celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for NVIDIA.